Hello, Lullabies. Welcome to Learning Lullabies. Bonjour, adventurers. Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of France? Join us as we explore the enchanting streets of Paris, indulge in the mouth-watering delights of French cuisine, and uncover the rich tapestry of history and culture that makes this country truly magical. From the iconic Eiffel Tower, standing tall over the Seine River, to charming cafes filled with the aromas of freshly baked pastries, we will dive into a world where every corner tells a story and every dish is a celebration. Perfect for families and curious little explorers, this adventure will not only tantalize your taste buds but also spark your imagination. So grab your tiny travelers and let's make some delightful memories in the land of art, fashion, and gastronomic wonders. Are you ready? Let's go and discover the magic of France together. As our adventure begins, we find ourselves arriving in the enchanting city of Paris. Wow! Look at the Eiffel Tower towering high above the city like a giant metal princess. Did you know that it's 1083 feet tall? That's like staking over 300 kids on top of each other. Let's pretend we are daring explorers heading up to the top to see the stunning view of the city. What do you think we will see? As we stroll through charming Parisian streets, we can hear the soft sound of laughter and the aroma of freshly baked croissant wafting through the air. Let's stop by a cozy cafe to taste a warm, buttery croissant. What do you think? Isn't it fluffy and delicious? Now that our bellies are happy, let's have some fun with art. We can visit the famous Louvre Museum, where thousands of beautiful works of art are displayed. They even have the legendary Mona Lisa. Let's practice making the mysterious smile just like her. Can you make that face? After soaking in all that culture, we learn about a classic French dish called escargot. Do you know what that is? It's snails cooked in garlic and butter. It might sound a bit strange, but in France, it's considered a fancy treat. Would you be brave enough to try it? Let's give it a taste and see if it's really as delicious as they say. As we wander back outside, we spot locals dressed in stylish outfits, showcasing French fashion at its finest. France is known for its chic style. So let's imagine ourselves in the latest fashion. Maybe we would wear berets and and carry around art supplies. What style would you choose? Feeling adventurous, we now head to the Champs-Élysées, a famous avenue filled with shops and vibrant street performances. We can catch a glimpse of street artists painting and musicians playing catchy tunes. Let's join in the fun and pretend to dance along while admiring their talent. But wait, there's more. We can't leave France without indulging in something sweet. Let's treat ourselves to macarons. These colorful, delicate cookies come in all flavors: raspberry, chocolate, and lemon. Which one would you pick? How about we try a few and share our favorites? Just as the sun sets, casting a magical glow over the city, we hop onto a riverboat cruise along the Seine River. As we glide past beautiful bridges and twinkling lights, we can imagine what it was like for artists and poets who found inspiration in this very place. What kind of stories do you think they created? Before we close our adventure, let's take a moment to learn about the fascinating history of France. Did you know that the French Revolution changed the way people thought about freedom and equality? Learning about history helps us understand how wonderful things like democracy came to be. And there you have it, adventurous explorers. Our journey through the elegance of France has been one wonderful experience. From the impressive Eiffel Tower and artistic treasures to delightful pastries and stylish fashion. Remember, each time you taste a croissant or see a beautiful piece of art, this about enchanting stories of this magical country. Just think about it. Thank you for joining me on this delightful ride in Learning Lullabies. Always stay curious and keep exploring new wonders around you. Until our next adventure, keep dreaming big and sharing joy. And see you next time. Bye bye, Lullabies.